Guys, thank you for tuning into my video. Today I'm going to show you how I achieved this smoky halo eye. And I want to give a shout out to my hairstylist. Hey Kenya, she gifted me with one of her crew neck sweatshirts, and on it has like this gold foil and it says makeup, wake up, makeup, and hustle. So cute. And then on the sleeve it has her brand name, Cocky Cosmetics. Brown script on my 224 brush. I had already started to put it in my crease before I forgot. Dominique, you need to film this side, so stop what you're doing. I took brown script. I went in with my Coastal Scents brush in CN08, and we're going to use the Saharan 2 by Juvia's Place. I love her colors. I love Juvia's Place's brand. I love the inspiration behind her brand, and her colors are very pigmented. So, I mean, it's a win-win because the price point is very affordable, and I love that. So, I'm gonna take my brush. We're gonna dip it into this beautiful cranberry color, okay? I took that color onto my brush. I was pretty liberal with it because we want a nice wash of this color, and as you can see, she is not shy. She is not timid. She is not meek. You do not have to build her up. Like, she just came with it, and I appreciate that. This brush is some type of natural hair. I'm not sure what the type of hair is, but it's super soft, and since it is such a soft natural hair brush, it blends out this bold color so well. Because typically with bolder colors, they can go on and they can be a little bit difficult to blend out. This brush spreads this pigment out so well, and this brush is super cheap. I can't even remember how much it was, but I'm pretty sure I either bought it on sale or something like that. And even if I didn't buy it on sale, like, it's still really affordable. So definitely, if you are in need of some great brushes, check out Coastal Scents. So I think I applied way more on this eye, clearly, than I did this side. So to fix that, I'm going to go back into my Juvia's Place palette again, and I'm just going to add more of that cranberry shade to my right eye, okay? And you know, if this happens to you, do not be alarmed. It's all makeup. Things happen. Adjustments have to be made, you know, things like that. I didn't necessarily want it to be this high, but it's quite all right. It is what it is. I'm not going anywhere anyway. This is getting wiped off, unfortunately, right after this video. I may film a haul video because I have been catching some sales. Juvia's had a 35% off sale, I think, during Halloween. So I picked up some palettes that I did not already have from her. And then Sephora's VIB sale just ended, and I did purchase some things that I needed to replenish and some things that were on my wish list. We got that beautiful cranberry color going throughout the crease. I'm gonna take my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer. And this is a 242 brush from MAC, the original one, the one that's not all synthetic fiber. So once you have your crease cut and you're pretty happy with the result, Now we're going to start to work on the outer and inner part. This is the most important thing for a halo. You want the outer and inner part to be more of a deeper tone. You're creating like negative space. So the negative space is in the ball of the eye or the center of the eyelid, and then on the outer and inner corner you have that depth. So when you look at it, it looks like a halo eye on the right side. Take that color on a small brush and pat it. And you're using a small detail brush because this is a small area. You do not need a big brush for this because you want this, it's detail work. So with detail work, you need a detail brush. I'm gonna start on the outer corner now. And as you can see, I kind of left some skin exposed. I'm gonna try to leave some exposed on the outer corner as well because we're gonna take an even darker color and we're gonna create a gradient effect. So what I'm doing right here, guys, is going in and deepening up the outer and the inner corner with Sketch eyeshadow by MAC. And I'm taking the tip of that brush to make sure that the top of those colors are nice and crisp. No longer makes, but it's called Beg For It, any generic black, and use it. And we are gonna take our little pencil brush and we are going to literally apply that black right on the inner corner. Kind of feathering out the edges so that way it's not hard. Take this color right here in the center of that palette. It's so beautiful. It is a cranberry shade as well, and it looks so dimensional right in that negative space that we talked about. So I'm gonna take that color onto my brush and I'm gonna spray it with a finishing spray. And I want to go up top and kind of make that color a little bit more crisp. Comes the color that you guys are probably guessing, like, what is that sparkle? What is that? It's by e.l.f. and it's called Turquoise Twilight. And we're going to apply it. I forgot a step. I completely forgot. So what I did, guys, I actually, this loose pigment from the MAC Holiday Collection this year, it's in the gold set. It's this really vibrant fuchsia color. I actually put that underneath the color in the center. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna backtrack a little bit. And then I'm going to apply that pigment on top of this Juvia's Place color. And just to kind of keep the same consistency, but I'm gonna see how it changes it. Let's see. That color is stunning though, on its own, that Juvia's Place color. Absolutely stunning. e.l.f. color. These eyes might turn out a little bit different from each other, but we're gonna see. This eye looks slightly vibrant, more vibrant. I like it though. I do like it. Let me find out I'm giving y'all two looks in one, because these eyes look a little bit different. So, use my all-time favorite eyeliner. I don't know if anything will ever replace this gel liner for me. It's the Inglot AMC eyeliner gel, and this is in the color number 77. So we're going to line the eye. I'm taking this brush that I got from Walmart out of the arts and crafts section. Don't sleep. We're gonna go ahead and smoke out the lower lash line. This is one of my favorite, absolute favorite things to do. If my under eye is not smoked out when you see me, it's because I ran out of time. So the whole concept is to just kind of blow out that lower lash line. So taking brown script first, it's like a blanket transition color. Next, that is the Cranberry shade that's in the middle of my crease. That's the next color that I took. And then after that one, I incorporated Sketch eyeshadow with a smaller pencil brush. And the very last color that you're going to see me utilize is the black eyeshadow, very close to my lash line with an even tinier detail brush. Lashes are the style Lila. These are the bandless ones, so the band looks more invisible. Okay guys, so I'm going to do, these eyes do look different, but guess what? I'm not about to take it off and redo it. Prep and Prime lip is going on my lips first. We're gonna use Crawfish, such beautiful packaging. Crawfish by the Crayon Case. It has a smell to it, almost smells like baby powder. Like a fragrant baby powder. Where's that, my makeup wipe? Let's see. No, it's this. It smells like baby powder or some type of mature powdery scent. Okay, so y'all, this lip feels so comfortable. It feels very thin, and it could be also because I use my Prep and Prime lip that makes it feel so good, but I honestly think the formula must be really, really thin too, because even with some liquid lips, it's not this thin. So it is time for a candy break. I am eating this Hawaiian Punch flavor candy cane, and she is good. Kenya, I love this shirt. I'm gonna be wearing it all the time. Filming my videos. I need a black one as well. Y'all gonna get tired of me because I'm gonna wear the hell out this sweatshirt. So I feel like I want to add something to this. One of my favorite all-time reds. This is Beso by Stila. I mean, I can just, I don't know, like just throw my hands up, honey, put the brushes away. Like, this tutorial is done. Done. I just think this is so beautiful, beat up and so loved. But it is the Old Guerlain bronzer in the shade 08. Their terracotta bronzers are awesome. They no longer make the shade 08. I have not checked to see if they have something comparable, because that one still is going strong for me, even though it looks like crap. Just framing the face and bronzing. That bronzer is like a light dusting. I'm gonna go back in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Mahogany bronzer. I think it's absolutely stunning. That lipstick smells like something. I don't know what brand has that fragrance, but it smells like a Chanel, or it smells like a Chanel blush. The most wearable look, but I mean, I know some ladies will wear this to the post office, to walk the dog, to the grocery store, and will be totally comfortable. But I do plan on doing something that is more wearable, and I love that it kind of corresponds with my new sweatshirt. Yeah, I absolutely love this. The red lip just sends it there for me. So thank you for watching my video. See you guys next time.